think we need an electrician.
It's so funny that we're all. It's been fun. I mean, I could. I'm gonna know why.
I'm just trying to get this done.
Today I'm going to love Jesus. We can wake up and say, today I'm going to study Jesus. Today I might even admire Jesus, but we can't create the love out of nothing. It's not like tap water that you can turn on and off. When we love Jesus, when we love him whom we have not seen, it is a love that is implanted in our hearts by God. That's why we love him. Changed his affections. It changed the direction of his life. Now he's proclaiming Christ. It was a sudden conversion. It was a transforming conversion. It was a lasting conversion. Paul spends the rest of his life doing this. Have you ever noticed when somebody gets converted? Maybe a young person in a home and the parents aren't saved. They say, well, he'll get over it. It's a flash in the pan. Well, for some it might be. For Paul, it lasted until he came to the end of his life and he was able to say, now I am ready to be offered. The time of my departure is at hand. I have fought a good fight. I have kept the faith. I finished the course. Henceforth there is laid up for me a crown of righteousness. The righteous judge shall give me at that day. What a transformation. Well, the question I want to ask today is,